Welcome everybody. Now we are going to start the exercise 8C of the logarithm. They are saying that the log 8 is equal to 0.9. Then evaluate log 4, log 132 and log 0.125. So firstly let us see what they had given. They had given us log 8. 8 is not a prime number, so I factorize it to 2 cube. In log power come forward, या get multiplied, so it will 3 log 2. This 3 is multiplied, so naturally when it go to the right hand side, it divide, so it will be 0.3. So log 2 is equal to 0.3. This is the value that you will use for the other parts. Here again, log 8 is 0.9. What is it? 2 cube. In the log power come to multiplication या come forward. This 2 is 3 log multiplication. So when it shift here, it divided. So log 2 is 0.3. Now let us come to my first part. My first part is log 4. Again let me go for the prime factorization 2 square. In the log power come forward. Now this 2 as it is. Log 2's value already we find out 0.3 and it is a very simple multiplication. Your answer is 0.6. Please listen. Log 4 यानी कि 2 square. Power come to forward. Now 2 as it is. Value of log 2 is 0.3. When we multiply, my answer is 0.6. Now second. Log under root 32. You know that 32 is 2 raised to power 5. 2, 4, 8, 16, 30. 32 is 2 raised to power 5. Under root means 1 upon 2. Under root means power 1 upon 2. Now power get multiplied, it is 5.2. This power will come forward, so it will 5 by 2 log 2. Now 5 by 2 as it is, log 2's value you know is 0.3. When you simplify, answer will be 0.75. Please one time again. Under root means 1 upon 2. 32 means 2's power. Indices say power get multiplied. 5 into 1 by 2, 5 upon 2. In log say power come to the multiplication, so 5 by 2 come forward, log 2. You know the value of log 2, so 5 by 2 multiplied with that 0.3. On simplification, your answer is 0.75. Now come to the log 0.125. So firstly, let me eradicate the decimal, so it will become 1000. Because 3 places, so 3 0. Now 120 and 1000 can be cancelled, it is 1 upon 8. You know that 8 is not a prime number, so let me write it as the 2 cube. Indices state when we come to the numerator or denominator, power gets sign get changed. So 2 raised to power 3 will become 2 raised to the power minus 3. Logarithm says the power will come to the multiplication, so minus 3 come forward. Now minus 3 as it is, this is the value of log 2. So on multiplication, your answer is minus 0.9. Please listen one time again. 0.125. First I remove this decimal and 3 places, it become 1000. 1 तो अपने आप होता है. फिर 125 और 1000 की कटिंग करेंगे तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 1 upon 8. 8 is not a prime number, so can be written as 2 cube. 2 cube within the denominator will go to the numerator, 2 raised to the power minus 3. And power come forward to minus 3 log 2. So that is minus 3 into log 2's value multiplication minus 0.9. Any doubt? Sure. So this is the question number 1. Let us take question number 2. Almost same question. Now my dear student, question number 2. Like last time they had given log 8. This time they had given log 27. 8 was also not a prime number, a product of 2. 27 also not a prime number, it is also a product of 3. So this 27 can be written as 3 cube. This 27 can be written as 3 cube. This power will come forward, it is a multiplication, and when it goes there, it divided. 3 4 ja 12, rest is 2, 3 7 ja 21, rest is 2, 3 7 ja 21. So answer is 0.477. Now first part is evaluate log 9. So what is log 9? Log 9 is 3 square. And you know that 2 will come forward due to the property of log. Not 2 as it is. This is is the value of log 3. You evaluate yourself. 2 into this, that is 0.954. This is your answer. Again, please listen. I have to evaluate log 9. What is 9? It is not a prime number. It is a 3 square. In log, you know that power to come multiplication, it comes forward. So 2 log 3. 2 as it is. Log 3 value you already evaluated 4.77. When you multiply this, the answer is 0.954. Now come to the second part, log 300. Log 300. What is log 300? Log 300. If we are तो अभी तक क्या था बड़ा अपन? I am getting 8 multiple of 2. I am getting 27 multiple of 3. I am having 9 multiple of 3. Means we are able to break in the same number. But 300 can't be break in the same number. It will be, I am going to break, go for the prime factorization. It will get 3, 2 and 5. 3 I know, but 2 and 5 I don't know in this question. So naturally we have to go for the next option. So whenever we are getting the multiples of 100 or division by 10, 100, 12, so it means that let us separate it because we know the value of the 100, 1000, lakh ourselves. So I divide this 3 into 100 into part 3 into 100. That is log m into n. So क्या होगा log m plus log n. Log 3's value you know. Log 100 value you already memorized. This is given and this is memorized as you already know. So 2 plus 0.477 is equal to 2.477. And here I just want to request to be careful. Because mostly what students are doing up to this point accurately and then they are adding 0.479. They add this 7 and 2 and remain 9. Sorry, this is the decimal part, this is the whole number. So naturally answer will be 2.477. I hope you understand it. Okay, now please come to the question number 3. They are saying that if log 10 base a's value is b, what will be the value of 10 raised to 3b minus 2? तो naturally सबसे पहले log a is equal to b and in the asked part log is not required, that will break into the exponential form. This 10 base shifted here, so a is equal to 10 raised to the power b. Now this 10 3b minus 2 can be written as 10 raised to power 3b upon, क्योंकि माइनस था इनके डिवीजन 10 to the power 10 to the power 2 क्या होता है स्क्वायर. अब ये क्या 3 into b और इंडाइसिस में मल्टीप्लाई कब होता है जब पावर मल्टीप्लाई होती है. तो यू टेक 10b रेज़ टू द पावर 3. नाउ 10b, व्हाट इज द 10b? a. तो इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस आई हैड रिटन a, this 3 as it is, this 100 as it is. So this is the final expression that I can give up to now, whatever I do. Okay, maybe further solving is possible if you give any other information, but according to the content given, this is the final answer. I hope you understand. Now my dear student, question number 4. They are saying log 5 base x is y. Log 5 base x is y. Evaluate this. So naturally what I want to evaluate that do not contain log, it means I am not interested in log. So what I do, I just shift the base, 5 come here, so it becomes 5 raised to the power y x. So this is the indices form of this logarithmic form. Now they are asking 5 raised to the power 2y plus 3. इंडाइसिस में प्लस कब आता है जब सेम बेस की मल्टीप्लाई होती है, यानी कि 5 raised to power 2y मल्टीप्लाई 5 raised to power 3. Now 2y में 2 into y और इंडाइसिस के अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कब आता है when power is there, तो 5 by 4 power 2 डॉट यानी कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन 5 क्यूब यानी कि 125. नाउ फिर मुझे याद आया 5 raised to power y क्या है x. तो if I will write here x, it will become x square into 125. और नॉर्मली हम लोग क्या करते हैं नंबर्स को पहले लिखते हैं, पावर सॉल्व को बाद में लिखते हैं. तो 125 कम फॉरवर्ड x स्क्वायर लेटर. इफ यू लीव हियर आल्सो देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग. That is the standard shape, but that is also right. Now come to the question number 5, page number 108. Log 3 base m is equal to x. So 3 shifted here. M is equal to 3 raised power x. Log 3 base n is equal to y. 3 shifted here. So n is equal to 3 raised power y. So these are the two values that I know, and I have to now evaluate 3 parts. This, and this. Now firstly come to this. 3 raised power 2x minus 3. एंड यू नो माइनस कब आता है जब हम डिवाइड करते हैं, यानी कि 3 raised to power 2x डिवाइडेड बाय 3 raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 3 का होता है 27 और नाउ ये क्या है 2 into x. तो यानी कि इट मीन पावर तो power 2 and you know 3 raised power x क्या है m, तो here I will write m equal to m square upon 27. अगेन फिर सुन लीजिए, log 3 पे sin is x तो m की वैल्यू है 3x, log 3 पे sin is y तो n की वैल्यू है 3 raised power y. These are the universal part for the all, sorry, these are the universal value for 3 parts. Now come to my first part. It is 3 raised power 2x minus 3. इंडाइसिस में पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट कब होती है? When we go for the division. यानी कि 3 raised power 2x divided by 3 raised to the power 3. 3 raised power 3 का होता है 27. 3 raised power 2x. 2x का होता है x multiplied by 2 यानी कि x power 2. 3 raised power x क्या है आपका m और power 2 m square 27 already है. So this is the answer of first part. Now come to the second part. 3 raised power 1 minus 2 है. Again same logic of indices. इंडाइसिस में प्लस कब आता है? जब मल्टीप्लाई. माइनस कब आता है? जब डिवाइड होता है. प्लस कब आता है? जब मल्टीप्लाई होता है. तो these positive term come to the numerator and this negative term go to the denominator. But I this positive in numerator I had it. This negative term I had it in the denominator. You know that 3 raised power 1, no need to write 1. Now ये क्या 3 into x यानी कि पावर्स पावर, तो 3 raised power x 4 पावर. ये क्या 2 into y, it means y power 2. Right? Now 3 raised power x according to this value n. And similarly 3 raised power y according to that n. So in place of this 3 raised power x I had written m. In place of this 3 raised power y I had written n. So answer is 3 multiply n cube upon n square. Now please come to the third part. 2 log 3 base is equal to 5x minus 3y. Now log 3 base, this 2 is multiplication, so it will become the power. Now this is the base and this is the number. And I don't want to solve in the logarithm because my values are in the indices form. So what I do, I shift the base 3 here. So this 5x minus 3y go to the numerator. तो a square equal to 3 raised power this. And you know the indices, minus कब आता है? When power this divided by power this. Again multiply कब आता है? When powers power. Multiply कब आता है? When powers power. 3 raised power x is m, so it is m5. 3 raised power y n, so it is n cube. So this is your answer. Again please listen. This 2 is multiplication, it become power. In the next step I shift the base, 3 come here, so it become indices, the index exponent form. After that power gets subtracted when division is there. Powers are multiplied when powers power is there. Powers are multiplied when powers power is there. Then 3 raised power x is m, 3 raised power y is n, power 5 and 3 as it is. So this is your answer of question number 5, first, second and third part. Let us take question number 6. Now my dear student, question number 6. Log a cube minus log a. In log you know that the power come forward, you get multiplied. 3 log a minus log a as it is. Let us imagine this is the apple. So 3 apple minus 1 apple, 2 apple. So that is your answer. Okay. Otherwise one more method is there. Log m minus log n. Please log m minus log n क्या होगा? Log n upon n. That is log a square. That is 2 log b. Okay, whichever the logic you want. You can do by this by taking 3 into multiplication, then subtract out of the 3 term, subtract 1 term, that is 2 term. Other is that log a cube upon a cancel a square, this square will come forward, so 2 log. Now it is log a cube divided by log. That is log a cube, power come forward, log a divided by log upon log. Log cancel, so what is that? 3, so that is your answer. Now question number 7. They are saying if this is equal to this, then express a in terms of b, या make the subject a. So naturally it is as it is log a plus log b, that is log a multiply. Now both are having the log, so we can cancel it, और जिसको मैथमेटिक्स की लैंग्वेज में हम कहते हैं taking anti log. The mathematics language is taking anti log. So what is happened? A plus B is equal to AB. This A shifted here. So it is AB minus A. A is taken common. What is left B? What is left? Nothing. यानी minus 1. This A is here. This B minus 1 come to the denominator. So this is your answer. Any doubt, please? Sure? Pakka? Confident? Check. So now beta, this is the end of the today's video. So I hope you people will practice it seriously, be updated, be educated, and don't take it otherwise. But I personally getting the information from your family and friends that most of you are not practicing the fundamentals. I don't want to give you any homework because I personally feel that now let us rely on you how you practice yourself. So please practice yourself. Be careful about your homework. More you practice, much better marks you will get. Your foundation, your base of the mathematics will be strong, and in future you will get that one. Okay, everybody. Till then, thank you.